Uline steel computer and AV carts safely transport AV and IT equipment in offices, schools, and repair shops. These carts increase productivity by allowing you to move equipment to needed locations. And the durable steel construction supports up to 400 pounds. The top shelf has a safety mat and retaining lip to protect equipment and prevent it from sliding off. The height is adjustable for comfort and flexibility. Each cart comes with a 3-outlet power strip with a 15-foot cord to easily power devices and equipment. The carts feature 4-inch swivel casters with locking brakes that secure the cart in place while working. They are available in multiple colors, sizes, and styles. Uline also offers carts with a slide-out keyboard tray for use as a mobile work center. Carts are also available with a locking bottom cabinet to safely store equipment and supplies. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.